Hello everyone. Internet connection problems can be frustrating. This video will help you to understand how to troubleshoot internet connection issues in Samsung LED TV. If your TV is not connecting to the internet, check the router for the connection status and network strength. On the remote control, press Menu or Home button and go to Settings. Select General. Select Network Status option to check the network status. If network is not available, then reset the network settings. Check LED indicators on the router to ensure that it is working properly. If you are using a wireless router and it is placed far from the TV, then bring it closer. Now reset the router. To do so, simply unplug the router from the socket. Wait for 20 seconds and then plug it back again. It may take 1 to 2 minutes to come back online. If the problem continues, select Settings. Select General. Select Network. Select Network Status. Select IP settings and change the DNS server on your router. Select DNS settings. Select Enter manually. So this is how you can troubleshoot internet connection issues in Samsung LED TV.